Good evening, sir, and good evening, everyone. This is Nitesh here. I am from Tikamgarh district, but basically I live in Bhopal. I have completed my schooling from Chhatarpur district, and I have completed my diploma pharmacy from Millennium College, and now I am pursuing BMLT from RKDF College. And there are in my family, apart of my parents, I have one elder sister, and my hobby is listening music, or I am open-minded person, and I am hardworking person. And my dream, I want to become a good and successful businessman in our life and glorify the name of my parents. Today I am going to share a story regarding to my past. So I requested to everyone, I don't know how to speak English and I am not perfect speaker English, but I'll try to speak English, so please support me, don't make me my fun. And I am starting of my story. Once upon a time, in a village, Pahadi Bujok, little village, there are one family lived there, and in the family, apart of parents, three siblings are lived there. Uh, in the family, one girls and two boys, apart of parents, and the father of this family used to go to village by cycle for earning money, doing the treatment of patient approx 200 to 300 in single day. And he also used to do farming also. And the girls of elder girl of this family used to go to school by bicycle approx 14 kilometer per day, and the boys also go to school by cycle approx 14 kilometer far from their home. And they are doing study very well. And time has, as well as everything is fine. Time has passed approx 4 to 5 years, and the father of this family decided that he want to do the marriage of his girl, and he finding a boy and do the marriage of girl nearest city Lalitpur, and got married of this his girl. And though both boy are decided that they want to go to good city, nearest city Chhatarpur for higher education. And both boy matlab, both boy went to nearest city Chhatarpur for higher education, and they do study very well approx 2 and 3 years. And elder brother has completed his 12th class with the top rank and top marks in class, and he went to Kota city Rajasthan for doing the preparation of NEET. And he do preparation approx 1.51, and he qualified the NEET exam, and he had the ranking score in India 48 rank in India. And he is selected for Jabalpur Government College of Jabalpur MBBS, and he pursuing NEET very well. And he has topped the first year and second year, and he has reached on third year, and he is doing the study very well. And the small boy was come in Bhopal for traveling for Bhopal city, and he stay his Mosi's house in Indpuri. And he come when he was come in Bhopal, he is saw that in Bhopal city, this is very big city, there are lots of college, there are lots of restaurant, there are lots of shop, there are very good environment of according to village, there is very good environment according to village. And he saw that there are many more pupils living there, the life of cities pupils are very good according to village. So he is very interested, okay, how to I live in there. And he spent 2 days in Mosi's house, and he discussed with our family, I want to live in Bhopal city, and I want to do preparation for medical field. So his family also gave permission, you should, if you want to live in Bhopal, then you should live in Bhopal and doing a study as well as possible. Then he live Bhopal city approx 5 to 6 months. He has one girlfriend, so he suggest me many more thing and tell me more thing. Then 5 to 4 months he is very happy and do talk to each other and doing she is doing our work, he is doing our work. But after 5 months she told me that if you don't do anything, then I leave you, if you don't do anything, then I leave you. So the boy listened that, and he started to finding the job, and he started the finding job, and he is find the job in Aegis call center, and he do job approx 4 to 5 months in Aegis call center. But uh, the girls tell that, if you I think you have no time for me, if you don't give me time, then I leave you, if you don't give me time, then I leave you. And he leave them. Then the boy has boy do many more friendship, and they teach me or told me how to smoke a cigarette, how to take beer, how to take wine. And the boy is very depressed in our life. I do matlab ki he do many more things in our life. He used to smoke approx 13 to 14 cigarette per day. He used to approx matlab ki to take consume approx consume 10 to 5 matlab 5 to 8 Rasi in a single day. And in week he used to do bhaji party with friend and roaming here and there, and don't do any good thing for him. But he is doing many more thing. He is think that there is nothing in our life. If I don't I have no love, then I have nothing there. And he is very matlab ki disturbed in our life. Then suddenly his brother live in Jabalpur, and he come back at our room, and he got accident and bike accident, and he matlab he expired on the spot. That the situation of that family is very bad and very painful. The family of this matlab the family of both student, and the family of both student, and everyone is very that moment I feel that moment very well. So the moment is very painful and very badly for everyone. If you have any student, any young boy, he can, if he died, then what is the pain you can, if you feel it, then very bad. Then I go to Jabalpur, and me and my family went to Jabalpur, and do some hospital formalities as postmortem and many more things. Then we will come back at our home. So my mother and father come back another car, but I come on ambulance with my brother's dead body. Then that time I think that if I get suicide with the one